Deep Tier Financing Explained, how it empowers small businesses. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the way small businesses get paid and how money moves in complex supply chains. It's called Deep Tier Financing. And trust me, it's a game changer. So what exactly is Deep Tier Financing? Imagine a giant pyramid representing a supply chain. At the top, we have big companies, the ones everyone knows. But what about the small businesses at the bottom? The small suppliers who rarely get quick payments or easy loans? Deep Tier Financing helps those smaller, often unseen businesses get access to affordable cash fast. Traditional supply chain finance typically helps suppliers right next to the big companies. We call them first-tier suppliers. Deep-tier financing goes much deeper, reaching second, third, or even fourth-tier suppliers. These are the businesses usually left out of formal banking, stuck with slow payments or expensive loans. Now, why does this matter? Because small suppliers keep the whole supply chain running. If they don't get paid on time, it's like a small gear jamming. The entire system slows down or breaks. Deep tier financing is like oil for that gear, keeping everything moving smoothly. Let's quickly look at some cool features of deep tier financing. It uses cutting-edge technology like blockchain, which means transactions are secure and crystal clear. No more shady invoices or fraud. Financing costs are linked to the big company's credit rating, so small suppliers get loans at much cheaper rates. It's digital and fast, so suppliers don't wait weeks or months for their money. And the benefits? They are amazing. Small businesses get working capital when they need it most, helping them grow. It makes the entire supply chain stronger and more resilient. It supports sustainability. Some systems even link financing rates to how green or socially responsible a supplier is. And for big companies, it means a healthier, more reliable network of partners. Let's zoom out and see how deep-tier financing is spreading around the world. Countries everywhere, from the US to Europe and Asia, are adopting this model. Big banks, fintech startups, and even governments are teaming up to make this happen. The Asian Development Bank, for example, is pushing deep-tier finance to close huge gaps in trade finance for small businesses. And guess what? India is making big strides too. The Reserve Bank of India is encouraging digital invoice discounting and platforms that let even the smallest suppliers get quick, affordable cash. With initiatives like Treads and new fintech platforms, India's deep-tier financing scene is booming. But it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges like complex supplier onboarding, regulatory red tape, and a lack of tech knowledge among small suppliers can slow things down. Plus, informal lenders charging sky-high interest rates still dominate in many places. So how do we fix these? Here are some smart solutions. Use AI and automation to speed up onboarding and verification, harmonize regulations globally to make cross-border financing easier, train suppliers on digital tools so they're not left behind, share the risk with credit guarantees so more financiers jump in, leverage smart contracts and IoT to cut fraud and speed payments. The future is bright. India and the world should keep scaling digital platforms for MSMEs, integrating blockchain technology, and embedding financing into procurement strategies. Banks and fintechs must innovate with new ways to assess credit and reduce collateral dependency. Above all, collaboration between corporates, banks, fintechs, and governments is key. If you're a small business owner, deep-tier financing could mean faster payments and real growth opportunities. For the buyers and bankers out there, it's a chance to build stronger supply chains and tap into new markets. So, what do you think? Are you ready to explore deep-tier financing for your business or network? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more trade finance insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time with more exciting topics.